Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. Today, I was reminded in a comment, I came down to do this quite a while ago and they were doing beach refurbishment, repairs, building. So, I've come down to have a look. We're in Jomtien. I'll show you. This is the continuation of Pattaya Road. That's where the buses will turn right and come down to Jomtien Beach Road, which will take us down there. But on this corner, on this junction, yeah, you'll see the police box here, the orifices. And down here, this will take us, if we carry on all the way down, it will take us to Cozy Beach, Soi 5. I think it crosses over from Soi 5 to Cozy Beach. And I'm not sure if you can cross over there. So I'm guessing I got quite a walk. So have you. And we're at Dongtan Pattaya Beach. Although I would call it more Jomtien. But up to them. Let's see how nice, how good the beach is. If they've put new amenities along. There is a barrier across. They've built this car park which isn't going to hold many cars. And they've put a barrier across at the end. It looks like a temporary barrier at the moment. It's quite a windy day, so I do have the lavalier mic in, so we should be okay. Got a little spongy bit on it. The large building over there, that is, oh, it's a view today. It may be 5, I'm not sure. There's so many of them. That's where they put the temporary barrier. There is a road, so maybe it's just for roadworks. Do not enter 10 AM to 5 PM. So that's that. And that is going up all over the place. No smoking on the beaches. I've not seen no pets or feeding the pigeon stuff, but 2,000 baht fine for smoking on the beach. Pattaya is no smoking now, I believe Wondershare. So all the beaches are becoming all non-smoking. Although they'll still give you an ashtray down at Pattaya. Although there are smoking areas around the beach or along the beach. There's the beach. So there are smoking areas. A lot of new palm trees going in along here. Let's have a quick look on the beach. It's a much wider beach along here. That over there is Koh Larn. Like I said, it's quite an unsettled day today. There are a lot of sunbeds, rest laying about areas. How much? 100, 100, okay, cap. 100 baht for the day for the sunbeds. They will also bring you food, drink over, that you will pay for, of course. Toilet areas, 5 baht. Over there at the back, see if I can zoom on it a bit, that's the park tower. Excellent viewpoint up there. 200 baht to go up, it's 50 odd floors up to the viewpoint. 400 baht if you decide to come down on the cable car or the zip wire. So that's not an extra 400 baht, that's 200 baht just to go up the viewpoint. 400 baht if you want to go up and come down on the cable. All along here we have these smoke-free zones showing signs and no waste, which is nice. Few bags going along for your plastic bottles and rubbish. Why not pick one up if you see it or two when you're leaving and put it in. So do your bit to help. I see the sweepers going to have their job along here. I think they're going to be busy quite a bit. But all along, places for food, for drink, sunbeds. I'm going to get up to the end of it. You don't want to see it all. I'm going to get up to the end and show you if there is any entrance exit getting off up to Soi 5 Cozy, Pratt and Neck. Free Wi-Fi. Right, we'll see you at the other end. Definitely a work in progress. Well, at the moment, we definitely can't get through. So they've started again this end, which will be coming back down towards Beach Road, Jomtien. This here is the water park, part of the park tower. There's lots of stuff inside there. I've shown it before, and I'll put it up. I'll put it in the cards in this, that you can have a look at that one. Show you what it's like inside, what there is there. Worth looking at. Worth coming down to the day, 100 baht to get in for the day. Good swimming areas, pool, and water slides. It's a good little water park. All amenities inside. Anyway, I hope you've liked it. Dongtan Beach, between Jomtien and Cozy Beach. Nice area, or will be when it's finished. So, if you have liked it, give it a thumbs up, a like and a share. We're going to do an extra run for free subscribers. May as well keep it going for this one as well. So subscribe now, it's totally free. Hit the bell, get notifications, totally free. How's that? 2-for-1 giveaway, both free. So, but if you have liked it, give it a thumbs up, a like and a share. Do subscribe, seeing as it's free, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.
And the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true.